you are saying that Khazan lands are 45 kilometers. Our records show 510 notified Khazans and of an area of 180 kilometers. Where is 45? Where is 180? 100%. We have a policy for Khazans. We are trying to say we are going to redevelop 2,000 kilometers of Khazans. There are 2,000 hectares of Khazans. Totally there are 18,000 hectares of Khazans. So you are completely incorrect. What data you have gone, I don't know. I am the Minister for Agriculture. You have not come to us. You have gone on satellite imagery and done something. Or you don't know what is a Khazan. See, one minute. I think you don't know what is a Khazan. Khazan is unique only to Goa.
You tell me now you are talking about salinity. Yes.
See, there is a major issue and problem over here. The government itself is asking questions to you. The government itself, that is the head of the particular department, is asking questions that your map is very much wrong. Not slightly wrong, not to be that draft notification which is there. It's not only about that, it's fully wrong, is what they are saying. So this is what you have to consider now and give time to us, not 7th, that date which is there.
That can be postponed, sir. No problem.
Yeah, it has to be postponed. Not for a small period. Till agriculture data, town planning comes to you, till data from all, like all the villages, especially all the MLAs, representation comes to you. Then let us sit together and do it properly. Let the villagers benefit out of this. All those paddy field owners are asking us when our barns will be ready to start the plowing of the field.
If elected members are not convinced about your draft CRZ plan, how the general public will be convinced to accept your policy? So we are confused. We are not able to understand your document.
What I would like to point out is our stand always has been that beyond sluice gate there is no tidal effect. Why? Because the sluice gate is not made to give an entry of the riverine or the sea water into the agricultural land. They were made long time back during, as the Minister has already explained to you all, that after the agricultural crops, they were done. So people used to grow some fish inside by taking whenever.
See, what you all have done to all our paddy fields is only mangroves. You have not shown our sluice gate over here and the barn. The barn is here. You have not shown the barn. Barn of ours is 5 meters. They have given us permission to build this. GCZM has given us. But you have shown the entire paddy fields as mangroves. Then you have gone in our land also, up to here, and shown this as buffer. So all these houses which are there, some are doing commercial activities beyond 500 meters, are coming in your buffer. And when it comes on the plan.
And the issues are addressed.
We are not conducting public hearings, only government.
Yeah, but public hearing date has to be postponed because you will be there for the public hearing.
Government is not ready for this. So it can be cancelled now.
Mr. Ramesh, you are not understanding again. GCDMA is conducting the public hearing on the plan drawn by you. Is it correct? So when the plan drawn by you is only wrong, the question of public hearing cannot arise. त्यांका अपॉइंट केले NCSA की 2011चो प्लॅन कर 2016 आणि हे करता तेन्ना एकूच विषय आशिल्लो की गोंयकारांक आमकां सॅटिस्फॅक्शन दिवपाक जाय जे लिगली आसा ते करपाक जाय आणि तेन्ना बाई आसतना तेणे एक प्लॅन हाडून दिलो तो हाडून दिले जशे ते क्लेम करता ते भशेन आखे देशभर 1:25,000 केले पण आमचे बाईन तांकां सांगले ना आमकां गोंयकारांक इल्या कुडक्याक आमकां दाखोवपाक जाय आणि बाईन सांगतरी तांकां 1:4,000 तेणे प्लॅन केलो आणि ताका लागून गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन आनी पयशे मागले ते बाईन तांकां दिले आणि हे तेणे करून तो GCDMA दिलो आणि GCDMA अपलोड केलो 1:4,000 फॉर पब्लीक कन्सल्टेशन आणि तो प्लॅनाचें कन्सल्टेशन 7 तारखेक दवरलेलें. आज आमी जेन्ना हांवें सांगलां की खुबशे गोश्टी आसा हांव लोकांचे हितू हें घालूंक सोदता कित्याक ज्यो गोश्टी आमी सांगता की 1:4,000 प्लॅन जो आमी केल्लो इट वॉज बिकॉज ऑफ ऑनरेबल देन चीफ मिनिस्टर मनोहर भाई पर्रीकर on his intervention, I think Mr. Ramesh will also agree that only he insisted, that is why they have done this is 1:4,000. Otherwise, everywhere in the country, it is 1:25,000. Correct, sir?
Correct.
This is one thing I want to clarify. हाझार्ड लँड डिमार्केशन जे आज थोडेशे NGO घेवन बसल्या, हाझार्ड लँड डिमार्केशन करपाक जाय. आता 2019 म्हाका दिसता 2011 करपाकूच पडटलो. 2019 ते आता गरज ना. इट इज नॉट पार्ट ऑफ द GCDL प्लॅन. इट इज अ एरिया विच विल बी मार्क्ड जस्ट बिकॉज केन्ना सुनामी जाली जाल्यार अप टू वीच पॉयंट द सुनामी कॅन गो. ती मॅनेजमेंट करपाक ती लायन जाय.
सगळ्या MLA खातीर दवरलेलें. म्हाका दिसता आतां सगळे जाण तें प्रेजेंटेशन पळयलां. आनी ऑल्सो द पब्लीक हियरींग इज ऑन
पोस्टपोन 7th आशिल्लें पोस्टपोन
7th आशिल्लें. ही इज पोस्टपोंडिंग दॅट पब्लीक हियरींग. बट तें पब्लीक हियरींग जावपूय गरजेचें आसा. ज्यांच्यांनी आपले काही प्रॉब्लेम्स आसतले, आपले काही डिफिकल्टीज आसतल्यो त्यो प्लेस करप, ऑन पेपर हाडप, तांकां रिप्रेजेंटेशन दिवप हें अत्यंत गरजेचें आसा. सगळ्यांचें रिप्रेजेंटेशन आमी घेवपाची आमची तयारी आसा. सगळ्यांचें बाब निलेशनानी सांगल्या त्या प्रमाणे म्हणजे वी नीड टू टेक द कन्सिडरेशन टू द पीपल ऑफ द गोवा रिगार्डिंग द CRZ issues. Whatever the issues are there, we are taking into the consideration, and according to that, whatever the changes suggested by the people, by the elected MLA, will take into the consideration, and we'll again going for the further planning. Whatever जी एजन्सीज आसा तांचे कडल्यान परत एकदा प्लॅनिंग करून घेवपाची तयारी आसा. त्या खातीर एखाद्या विशयाचेर फक्त खंय तरी बोवाळ घातलो म्हणून जावचो ना. कारण फाटल्या कितल्याशाच गव्हर्मेंटांनी जें काम करपाक जाय आशिल्लें CRZ विशयाचेर हें करूं ना. म्हणून आमकां आतां तो प्रॉब्लेम फेस जाता. सो दॅट इन लॉंग रन फ्युचर आमकां हे प्रॉब्लेम जावपाक जायना. सगळ्या लोकांचें सहकार्य आसप हें अत्यंत गरजेचें.
ZMPचो प्लॅन फायनलायज ड्राफ्ट प्लॅन जो आतां सबमीट जाला तो ड्राफ्ट प्लॅन एक वर्स पयलीं मनोहरभाई आसतना वी हॅड सीन अ सिमिलर प्लॅन. फर्स्ट अँड फॉरमोस्ट द पब्लीक आउटक्राय वॉज दॅट द प्लॅन्स आर इनएक्युरेट. वी हॅड गिवन आवर सजेशन्स, वी हॅड गिवन आवर इनपुट्स देन हाऊ टू मेक इट एप्लिकेबल अँड देन कम बॅक. अनफॉर्च्युनेटली NCS CM Chennai जे आसा टुडे हॅव कम विथ द सिमिलर प्लॅन which cannot be accepted by the people of Goa. CRZ करता असताना they are very sensitive issues to the common man. We need to look at these issues very widely and at a very serious, with a very serious nature. जे ताणी घेतला पयलो म्हणल्यार I was asking them only one question which was actually the base of the whole thing. Have they utilized the revenue records and confirmed the land use काय म्हणून. गोंयच्या खुबशा भागांत बांद आसात, स्लूइस गेट्स आसात, बाकीचे अशे कितलेशेच आसा विच आर एवेलेबल ऑन रेवन्यू रिकॉर्ड्स. तांणी रेवन्यू रिकॉर्ड जेन्ना करूंकूच ना रिफर जाल्यार द होल थिंग वॉट दे हॅव टेकन इटसेल्फ इज रॉंग. सेकंडली इफ दे हॅव टेकन अ कॅडेस्ट्रल रिफरल प्लॅन ऑफ 1974 अँड वी आर आस्किंग देम ग्राउंड ट्रुथींग केला काय म्हणून. हांवें म्हज्या सर्वे डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन जेन्ना चॅक केल्लें तांणी 2 points in every village mark करपाक घेतले and the whole exercise of ground truthing was completed in a single day. This is what I was informed. Ground truthing एक जाग्यार करपाक कितलो वेळ लागता आनी कितलो तें आमकां खबर आसा. फील्ड सर्वेयरचो रोल कितलो आसता ताचो कितलो रोल आसता. and they have just completed in one day. They say they have referred to Survey of India, but Survey of Indiaचो एक बेस पॉइंट आसता सगळ्या कडेन every state. They have not even taken that as a referral point. So when these referral points are not right, then the question of you getting your HTR and other things will not arise. आता जशी लँड यूज जेन्ना म्हणटा आमी जेन्ना एक पॉयंट घेता बानाचो नाल्यार स्लूइस गेटाचो, it is very clear that water through the other side of the sluice gate does not have a tidal effect, and as per this GCZMA does not get into your high tide lines.
So the plan has to be favoring the coastal inhabitants. So corrections to this plan has been asked. A lot of people have gathered, especially from the coastal belt NGOs, objecting to this plan. Certain objections which are there, they suggestion दिवचे बरोवन. And आमची meeting all the MLAs have demanded, we want NCSM to explain to us about this plan, which is in the draft form now, which has to be finalized. सो आमी करेक्शन आमचे दितले आमचे एरियन जे आहा कलांगूट कोस्टल बेल्ट. इवन आय कॅन हेल्प अदर MLAs हू रिक्वायर. म्हणजे थिंगा जो तर कितें भितर दाखोवपाक जाय स्पेशली houses, the most important thing, the NCSM is relying on a map of 1970. तेजे उपरांत सगळे रिजनल प्लॅन गोंयान येयले. सो आय स्ट्रॉंगली बिलीव दॅट रिजनल प्लॅन should be the base map for this CZMP plan. So गोंयचो regional plan should be the base map. They have taken 1970 plan, 1974 plan जो आमचो आदी येयल्लो पळय तो लँड सर्वेन केल्लो पळय तो घेतला तेंच्यांनी. तेजेर ट्रेडिशनल इनहॅबिटंट्साची घरांच ना. सो NCSM म्हाजे हिसपान ते घेवपाक जाय द लेटस्ट प्लॅन what the government has notified for all over Goa. 2021 is the latest plan. 2021 regional plan जो भायर सरलेलो आहा तो latest plan. They should consider that as a base map. तितून सगळ्यांची घरां दिसतली, स्पेशली कोस्टल इनहॅबिटंट्स जे आमचे फिशरमॅन आहा, बाकीचे लोक जे कोस्टार रावता तेंची घरां तेच्या प्लॅनाचेर दिसतली. आयज 1974 प्लॅनाचेर जी आहा, 1970-74 प्लॅनाचेर जी आहा तीच घरां दिसतात. आमी तो प्लॅन स्टडी केला, ड्राफ्ट प्लॅन वी हॅव स्टडीड. सो वी वॉन्ट दॅट justice should be done to all the traditional inhabitants of the coast. For that we will fight till this final plan which is supposed to come up as per the order of NGT. That cannot be stopped. आता खूप NGO लोकांनी कितें म्हटलां की तो स्टॉप करूंक जायना तो.